All right, moving on. 1957 Rambler Rebel. This car, if one saw this car in the wild, it really doesn't look all that special. But let me tell you, it is. Because underneath the hood was AMC's 327 V8, which made 255 brake horsepower, which really doesn't sound like a lot. But this car could go 0 to 60 in 7 seconds. I've seen as low as 7 seconds, 7.5 seconds. This is a four-door car in the 1950s. To put this in perspective about how fast this car was, 1957 Chrysler 300C goes 0 to 60 in 8 seconds. 1957 Ford Thunderbird with a 312 wide block V8 does it in 8.6 seconds. 1957 Chevy Corvette with a 283 V8 with a 3-speed manual does it in 7.6 seconds. This was one of the fastest cars of the 1950s, but the sad thing is nobody even really knows it exists. For example, if you were to ask the average car person what is the fastest car the United States made in the 1950s, your answer would probably be Chrysler 300 or Corvette, maybe Thunderbird. Somebody might say Studebaker. Nobody knows that this car exists. It cost $2,786, which was equivalent to you spending $28,979.95. There was only 1,500 of these made total, so they're super rare. The other thing is all of them are gray with an orange stripe.